Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a professional Instagram account and a linked Facebook page. Once those are set, open your profile and tap Insights. This gives immediate overview charts. You'll see activity, content, and audience sections. Each serves a different question. Activity shows interactions, content lists recent posts and performs, and audience reveals follower demographics and growth. Make sure to allow a few days of data if you just switched, because historical metrics may appear delayed. Now dig into content. Tap Posts, then use the filter menu to pick a time range and the metric you care about: reach, impressions, saves, or interactions. Once done, sort by that metric to reveal top performers and note patterns. Caption length, hashtags, time posted. Also inspect stories and reels individually because their retention and completion rates behave differently. Make sure to compare organic versus promoted posts to see how ads shifted reach and which creatives. Finish by focusing on audience. Check follower growth trends, peak active hours, top locations, and demographic splits to time and tailor content. If you need more control, export Insights data as a CSV and analyze in a spreadsheet for correlations and experiments. If data looks incomplete, make sure your account remains professional, reconnect the Facebook page, update the app, and clear cache. These fixes often restore missing metrics. Finally, schedule tests to validate hypotheses and recheck results after each change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.